Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So guys, what happened today was supposed to be a training day for many people because of budget, but unfortunately today was a sideways budget, which is totally fine. And we see there are many rules and regulations which came down, which like tax slab was not changed and things. And key points to note is Indian government, that is Railway Department, is trying to change every local trains to Vande Bharat level of trains. Okay, so they'll be changing more than 40,000 trains. They're converting 40,000 trains to a better train. Okay, so basically they are gonna equip with good toilets and good seats and good food and everything on the Indian Railway is gonna change. Okay, so I would highly recommend anybody who's going to planning to invest in the future, please invest in railway stocks. Okay, this is recommended by me and I'm going to invest. It's because the finance minister has already told that they're going to change 40,000 trains. Okay, they're going to work on it on Vande Bharat. So I'll be dedicatedly making a video on that, like who gives all the parts and who manufactures all the materials and everything for the making of Vande Bharat kind of trains. Okay, so those companies, associated companies, will be on the list. Okay, watch list, so we can definitely segregate our portfolios with that. All right, so let's get into today's analysis video. So if you guys see, nifty was on a total sideway today, so this kind of market is what we actually want. After this we can definitely expect moves. Okay, so what is my plan for tomorrow? If you guys see, this has become a very good resistance level for now. Okay, this is a very good resistance level for now, and above this is what we can look forward to buy, and there is a huge gap here. So on the buying side, this is a good candle for tomorrow. If there is a follow through with this green candle to the upper side, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy. So if it takes support at 21,690, I'll be looking forward to buy. My stop loss will be very small because below this swing will be my stop loss. If you guys see all this wicks, below this wicks will be my stop loss. It's because after this market is going to turn on the other side according to the price action. Okay, so this will be the small trade, or if it crosses 21,790 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, so after this only I'll be buying aggressively. For tomorrow I'll be keeping it very small quantity. If it breaches this trend line and breaches 21,640 and 42 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it, but not on a higher quantity, only on a small quantity. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty did not give us any entries today. The morning candle came down straight and volatile, but it went up. Okay, because the news, many things were positive about today's budget, so it started going up. So this is a good impact on the market. So tomorrow, and it is hovering over this level, so I'm positive about the market. If it closes anywhere above 46,235 and above, I will be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be like 100 points or 100 points, something, nothing more than that. Okay, so my level will be like 46,225 to 46,250. Okay, so these will be the levels where I'll be looking forward to enter tomorrow. If it gaps up, if it comes down, then I'll enter on the swings. Next is US oil. So US oil, we did capture a few moves yesterday, so but now it's on the same place. If you guys see, market stuck in this place. Okay, so we have to cross this. So I will tell you what my plan is for tomorrow. If the market, if US oil crosses $77.20 and above, I will be looking forward to buy it. And this is a bullish flag, which is really good. This is called as a Poland flag also, but this is not exactly Poland flag. So let me just draw. See, this is a pole and this is a flag. Okay, once this flag is broken is where we'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, that's the plan. So tomorrow or now for US oil, this is the plan. If it crosses $77.25 and above, we'll be looking forward to buy, and 25 points will be the stop loss. If it breaches below $75.81, I'll be selling it. Okay, so these are the two. If it hits stop loss here, then next buy of mine will be only after $79 and 79, only after $79. Okay, so that's it for US oil. Next is gold. Gold's in a good up move. We had a stop loss here yesterday and it is forming a different kind of a pattern now. and it is emotional driven for because of today's budget. So if you see, I'll be buying only post 20,000. No, 2058. Okay, after 2058 is where I'm looking forward to buy it, and my target will be 2088. Target is same. There's no difference. And we have five stocks for swing trading. First one is South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank is giving a very good breakout on its weekly time frame. But remember, guys, this stock every time when it breaches high, it breaks its higher, that is all-time high, it goes sideways for a very long time. If you guys see, this was broken. This was the high. It was broken up and then down, up and then down. If you get, so this is the pattern of this. Okay, so if it goes sideways somewhere here, if you're buying it tomorrow, you have to hold it for a long time, is what I'm gonna say. Fortunately, if it works out, well and good, because this is on a weekly time frame, it might go up. We don't know. Okay, we don't know. Next one is Skipper. Skipper is also a good stock. I saw fundamentally it's pretty good. So Skipper, I'll be looking forward to buy post 289 to 300. If I get a price of this, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be below this swing, okay, or below this resistance, that is 263. Next is Sale basically has given me too many stop losses, but this is a strong candle, and today market opened but it did not give a follow through, so there is a probability for it to go sideways. If I see a good follow through, I'll be looking forward to buy. If you guys see this was a very strong candle, that too on a weekly time frame. After that it came down. Okay, if you guys see, this was a strong close. Anybody would have entered here, kept their stop loss here, they wouldn't have even gotten 1:2. Okay, so not even 1:1. Yeah, not even 1:1. So this is the problem with Sale I've been facing from a very very long time. So just keep this in your radar, or keep this in your watch list, which is really good, and it sometimes it will give very good profit. Like here, once we captured it, I remember once I captured it on this trend line breakout, I captured it. So wait for it to form some kind of good trend line and then trade it. This is what is about Sale. Next is India Mart. India Mart looks pretty good on weekly time frame. It is on a buy side. Okay, if you guys see, it's on a buy side. This is the M pattern, came down, now again it started going up. This low was not broken. Until unless this low is not broken, we cannot sell it. Okay, yes, this low is broken, but here it is bullish. If you guys see on a weekly time frame, it is a strong closing. So tomorrow, if I get a price of 2511 to 2570, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and I'll be holding it. My stop loss will be at 2398 or 99, something like that. Next is City Union Bank. City Union Bank on a weekly time frame, just keep this in your watch list, because this is also a good bank which has given me good profit earlier. So just keep this in your watch list. This is a good trend line, okay, and this is a base, which is a very good thing. Once it starts hovering above 175, we can look forward to buy. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information on my plans for upcoming trades. So please like, share and subscribe and support, share my content as much as possible, so everybody gets the knowledge of stock market. And please watch my other videos too, which will be helpful for me to grow and reach my audience. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.